Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this, the Queen Rose H3 and H4 mattress in one. It's the 180 to 200 centimeter mattress with a height of 18 centimeter. It's also on the market available with 20 centimeter thickness. Wee. That's big one, baby. 180 to 200. Of course, this is the big one, a big player on the bed. If you have, before you buy the Queen Rose, for example, you have 290 to 200 centimeters mattresses in your frame, frame of your mattress area, you can change it to this 180 to 200 because it is in one go possible to get this. It's also on the market in 140 to 2, 90 to 2, or 120 to 2, and 160 to 200 centimeters. It comes with cold foam. It's a reversible mattress, comfort mattress, an Oeko-Tex certified mattress. And the item weighs 17 kilograms. The item firmness description is H3 and H4. We have memory foam, which is really good in memory stuff. The H3 and the H4 double-sided option. Because this reversible mattress offers a medium soft H3 hardness level with a wide fabric for comfort and firm hardness H4 with a light yellow fabric for a back support, so we can choose our preferred side as we like. And it's skin-friendly cover, because the Oeko-Tex certified fiber is free from harmful substances. This is either for the sensitive skin of children and adults too. The finely stitched design promotes the air circulation. It regulates body temperature and the heat dissipation. And it's an ergonomic mattress for the spine. We have point elastic base foam and phases stability thanks to targeted support of the neck, lumbar, and pelvis. This corrects the sleeping position, increases comfort, and ensures an optimal pressure relief. And we can relieve the body pressure because the 30 pure US certified cold foam provides a soft yet stable support and ensures a cozy comfort and a stress-free sleep without the muscle tension for a restful night's sleep. So relaxing, of course. And it's easy because it comes to you in a little box. Because this mattress is vacuum mounted. If you get this, you have to extract the mattress out of the plastic bag. And if you are performing that, you should not use a knife for that, because you do not like to harm the Queen Rose. And then the evacuations area will get air out of the area where you are, and it will be pumped up automatically with air. And after this, you have to wait a little bit. So get this on top of your bed. Remove the ceilings, remove the plastics, and then extract the mattress on top of your bed, and then the Queen Rose will lift up. So let it rest there for 24 to 48 hours until it is full extracted, and after this, you're ready for a good sleep from this moment on. Yeah. And then you can choose the hard, the H4 side, or you can choose the H3, this is the soft side, to lay on this mattress. And then you will have a good, nice, and relaxing night because the Queen Rose comes to you with all what you need. Comfort while you're sleeping. That's cool. That's the Queen Rose. H3 and H4 standard in one mattress. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.